How to edit your status in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your status in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Alright, first head over to notion.com. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. You'll be given a few sign-in options. I usually go with Google for quick access, but pick whatever works best for you. After you're logged in, you'll land inside your Notion workspace. Now, navigate to the page or project where your status is set. It might be part of a task database or a project tracker you're using with your team. Once you're on that page, look for the status column or property. Click directly on your current status. This will open up a drop-down where you can pick a different status like in progress, completed, or whatever custom statuses your team uses. Now, if you want to go a step further and edit the list of status options, maybe add a new one or clean things up, just click the plus icon next to status. From there, you can rename statuses, add new ones, remove the ones you don't use, and even set a default status if you want every new task to start at a specific phase. That's super helpful if you're always starting with to do or something like that. Once you're happy with your changes, just hit continue or close and everything will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've now edited your status in Notion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.